Well, tonight, New York City police say that they are searching their files for any complaints against Hollywood producer Harvey Weinstein. Dozens of women accuse him of sexual harassment, even assault. KCAL9's Andrea Fujii is live in the newsroom right now with new details on this ongoing scandal. Andrea.
Jeff, the NYPD says at this point they have not identified any complaints. Meanwhile, in London, Scotland Yard said it confirmed it is investigating a report of possible sexual assault by Weinstein in the 1980s. All this as even more actresses come forward with new accusations.
This has been part of our world, women's world, since time immemorial.
Academy Award-winning actress Emma Thompson sounded off on the Harvey Weinstein sexual assault allegations and Hollywood culture.
I spent my 20s trying to get old men's tongues out of my mouth, you know, because they were just thought, well, she's up for it.
Emma, right here, Emma.
Thompson says Weinstein never assaulted her, but believes harassment of women in the industry is an epidemic.
Do they have to all be as bad as him to make it count? You know, does it only count if you really have done it to loads and loads and loads of women, or does it count if you do it to one woman once? I think the latter.
The fallout continued today with more actresses coming forward. Kate Beckinsale revealed on Instagram what she says happened to her at age 17 when she met Weinstein at a hotel. When I arrived, reception told me to go to his room. He opened the door in his bathrobe. After declining alcohol and announcing that I had school in the morning, I left, uneasy but unscathed. Beckinsale goes on to say, let's remember that Harvey is an emblem of a system that is sick and that we have work to do. One of the most outspoken voices since the allegations broke is actress Rose McGowan. She started a petition against the Weinstein Company. Late this afternoon, she tweeted at Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, I told the head of your studio that HW raped me. Over and over, I said it. He said it hadn't been proven. I said I was the proof. Amazon did not respond to CBS's request for a comment. McGowan reached a $100,000 settlement with Weinstein in 1997, according to the New York Times. Overnight, Twitter temporarily shut down her page, telling CBS News they locked her account because one of her tweets included a private phone number, which violates terms of service. The president of the Cannes Film Festival condemned Weinstein, and the Hatchet Book Group terminated its publishing agreement with the Weinstein Company. Live in the newsroom, I'm Andrea Fujii. Jeff, back to you.